Welcome to Valerie's Kitchen. Today we're going to make a peppermint bark cheesecake, and it's a white chocolate cheesecake, so there's less of a chance of it cracking on top. And it's got just enough peppermint flavor so it's not overwhelming, but combine that with the white chocolate. Let's go have some fun. Cheesecake made in this video comes straight out of Bake From Scratch magazine. In the magazine, it makes a 9-inch cake, and in the video, we're making a 6-inch cake. In the description below, you can find a link to the magazine recipe, as well as a list of ingredients for a 6-inch cake. Spray your pan and set it aside. Because the crust is so small, I'm just going to do everything right in a freezer bag. I'm going to take my chocolate graham crackers, or in this case, little teddy bears. That's the only thing I could find in the grocery store. And with the rolling pin, crush them into fine crumbs. And everything is a fine powder. Add your butter. "28 grams of the brown sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to mix it right up in this bag. Once all the ingredients are incorporated and mushed together in your bag, you can go ahead and pour it into your pan, and we're going to shape it around the bottom. Press down with a glass to get a good, even layer of crumbs. At this point, I want some of my crust to come up the sides, so I'm going to add in more of the crust. And gently work it up the sides of the pan. There. It's nice and even all around. Bake 8 to 10 minutes until it's fragrant, and you're going to smell it in your kitchen. It's going to be wonderful. Mixer with a beater attachment. Put in your cream cheese. And beat that for 3 minutes until it's nice and fluffy. Now that it's all light and fluffy, add in the white chocolate that's been cooled to room temperature. Add the rest of your brown sugar. The sugar, flour, extracts. Combine well, and then we're going to add the eggs one at a time. finally, the heavy cream. Wrap your pan in 3 layers of heavy-duty aluminum foil. Place your pan in a roasting pan and fill it up about an inch with hot water. You want to use hot water so you get the proper baking time, and you don't spend time in the oven heating up your water. Cover with aluminum foil to prevent excess browning. Checking a cheesecake to see if it's done is not the same as a regular cake, where you could use a toothpick or a skewer, poke the middle, and it comes out clean. You have to do the cheesecake wobble. No, that wasn't it. I'm going to show you. That's the wobble you're looking for. Just wobbling a little bit. It's not liquidy. It's more solid. Okay, piping stripes in your whipped cream or your frosting is not that difficult. It just takes a little steady hand, a skewer, and some food coloring gel. You get a little bit of gel. And I always use the creases of the bag. And you just go along the crease